UK settlement rules are changing, and an overhaul to the path to UK permanent residency. In this video, we talk about the UK replacing the 5-year route with a contribution-based system that could take 10 years or more.
But first, we want to thank you for joining us. Find us on all the other social media channels. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that bell to get notified when we release a new video. We also appreciate your likes and comments below, as it helps to support our channel. Oh, and don't forget to check out our website at immigrationandmigration.com. This video is brought to you by IAM. We believe that travel improves and inspires you and the people around you. We help you travel by providing services which overcome barriers and frameworks that simplify and enrich your experience. We just happen to be immigration lawyers. So reach out to your IAM visa coordinator when you're ready for your adventure, or already on one and would like some assistance.
The White Paper and the new Earned Settlement Consultation mark one of the biggest shake-ups of UK settlement rules in decades. Under the proposals, the current 5-year time-based route to indefinite leave to remain would be replaced with a contribution-based system, where many applicants may need 10 years or more before qualifying. Much now depends on the detail: who will be exempt, how contributions will be measured, what happens to people already in the UK, and which social welfare conditions might apply at the settlement stage. The consultation is open, and feedback from employers, campaigners, and immigration professionals will heavily influence the final rules. The White Paper outlined a shift towards a system designed to reduce net migration while still attracting high-value individuals. The November 2025 consultation, titled Earned Settlement, sets out how this would work in practice. The goal is to tie settlement to economic contribution, good character, integration, and lawful residence, rather than simply how long someone has lived in the UK. To qualify for ILR, applicants would need to meet several mandatory requirements, including maintaining a clean criminal record with no outstanding NHS, tax, or government debts, demonstrating English language ability at level B2, passing the Life in the UK test, and showing earnings of at least £12,750 for a period of 3 to 5 years. Settlement would no longer be automatic after a set period of residence. Instead, applicants must earn ILR based on contribution and integration. Most work-based and non-protected routes would move from the current 5-year system to a 10-year baseline. This starting point can then be adjusted up or down depending on individual circumstances. The settlement can be reduced to 3 years if applicants have earnings of £125,140 plus for 3 years, and those with Global Talent or Innovator Founder visa holders. The settlement can be reduced to 5 years if applicants have earnings of £50,270 plus for 3 years, those who are family members of British citizens, and significant volunteering or community contribution. The settlement can be reduced to 5 to 7 years if applicants are able to demonstrate substantial voluntary or community work. The settlement can be increased to 15 years if applicants are recipients of public funds for up to 12 months. The settlement can be increased to 20 years if applicants are recipients of public funds for more than 12 months and overstayed in the UK for 6 months or longer. As the consultation moves forward, it's clear that these proposals would fundamentally reshape the path to permanent residency in the UK. What are your thoughts on this issue? Talk to us in the comments section below. If you have plans to travel, check out the deals we have found in the description box below. If you need assistance with a visa to Europe, the UK, or the US, including help with securing your travel arrangements, IAM can help. For visa advice, contact your IAM visa coordinator.
If you'd like to get more info on travel, visas, immigration, and citizenship, head over to immigrationandmigration.com for more free content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more travel and visa updates.